The entryway is the first impression your home makes. It welcomes guests, sets the tone for your interior, and plays a key role in comfort and security. Over time, doors can become outdated, worn, or inefficient, making the entire home feel less inviting. For homeowners in Warren, a new door installation is one of the most impactful ways to refresh an entryway and transform the look and performance of the home. Why the entryway deserves attention. The front door is more than just an access point, it's a visual anchor. An aging door can make a home appear tired, even if the rest of the exterior is well maintained. New door installations instantly update the entryway, creating a clean, polished appearance that improves curb appeal. In Warren homes, entryway upgrades are often the first step in enhancing overall home aesthetics and value. Modern door designs that elevate style. Today's replacement doors come in a wide range of designs that suit both traditional and modern homes. Sleek profiles, updated panel styles, and refined finishes allow homeowners to choose doors that reflect their personal taste. For Warren homeowners, modern door designs provide an opportunity to align the entryway with the home's architectural style while adding a fresh, contemporary touch. Bringing light into the entryway. Many new door designs incorporate glass inserts that allow natural light to enter the home. Frosted or decorative glass enhances brightness without sacrificing privacy. In Warren homes, brighter entryways feel more open and welcoming, creating a positive first impression for guests and residents alike. Improved energy efficiency at the front door. Older doors often allow drafts and air leaks, making entryways uncomfortable. New door installations are designed with insulated cores and tight seals that improve energy efficiency. For Warren homeowners, this means more stable indoor temperatures, fewer drafts near the door, and lower energy costs over time. Enhanced security and peace of mind. A new door installation isn't just about appearance, it's also about safety. Modern doors feature reinforced frames and reliable locking systems that strengthen home security. Warren homeowners benefit from added peace of mind knowing their entryway is more secure and dependable. Coordinating hardware and entry details. A complete entryway makeover goes beyond the door itself. Updated hardware, handles, and locks contribute to a cohesive look. Matching finishes across lighting fixtures and trim further enhances the design. In Warren homes, these coordinated details elevate the entire entryway and create a refined, intentional appearance. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most stylish door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures the door fits properly, seals tightly, and operates smoothly. For Warren homeowners, expert installation protects the investment and ensures the new door delivers both beauty and performance. Increasing home value through entryway upgrades. Entryway makeovers often offer a strong return on investment. A new door enhances curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security, features that appeal to future buyers. In Warren, a thoughtfully upgraded entryway can significantly boost a home's market appeal. A lasting transformation. For Warren homes, new door installations have the power to transform a home's entryway quickly and effectively. By combining modern design, improved efficiency, and professional installation, homeowners can create an entryway that feels welcoming and secure. For Warren homeowners, investing in a new door is a smart way to elevate the home's appearance, comfort, and long-term value.